Hi guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a VOVO 40mm padlock. I had to pick quite a few padlocks at work due to keys going walkabout, and this was one of them. When I first saw this, I literally looked and thought of the car manufacturer VOLVO. As you can see, there's no L in there whatsoever. Never seen this lock sort of manufacturer before, and I think when I put a post on our UK Lock Sport forum, even Mr. Anybody had not seen this brand. It's locked up, no working key. Start back to front. There is bits of sort of dirt and whatever in there. So what I do is I adjust the tension, picking back to front. Sometimes when bouncing with sort of medium to heavy tension, I can go through and pop it open. Now and again, once I've come through from the heavy, medium, and it's sprung sort of back a bit, I get a little bit of a click on one of the pins. It moves over, and then I can either force a little bit more, the lock will open, or I've got to tickle over the pins. Like I say, that's due to weathering, I think. So to the back, if I can get it in, tension on, start picking. Like I say, I'm bouncing that tension wrench. There you go, picked open. It's a nice looking little lock. So that's the 40mm VOVO padlock single pin pit. So if you are newbies to Lock Sport guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.